how to export a video file from Canva. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to export a video file from your Canva for your presentation or your project work, here's what you can do. So first thing first, just open up canva.com from any web browser and make sure you're currently logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged in with my account. Now let's say I want to create a particular video, so I'll simply tap on this video button over here and simply head over to any of your video templates, or you can also actually create a customizable video if you have one on your desktop with your particular resolution. So let's say in this example, I'll simply choose any one of these. So as you can see, I've already opened my video over here. So let's say if I were to download this video or export this video, what I'll be doing is, as you can see, I can also split out the video or edit it accordingly. So if you are satisfied with the video itself, you can just go on to this share button at the top right corner and simply click on this download section over here and just tap on it. And you can also actually adjust the quality. If you have a premium version, you can also go for a 4K quality, which is higher than 1080p, and simply click on download. Once you do all of that, you just have to wait for a few seconds until the download finishes, and just like that, you have successfully exported or downloaded the video from Canva onto your desktop. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.